How to enable or disable Gboard Emoji Fast Access Role on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on general management. From here, tap on Gboard settings. Then scroll down and tap on emojis, stickers and GIFs. At the top here, tap on Emoji Fast Access Role. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable this feature. Now when I turn this on, if I go to my keyboard, you can see that on the keyboard here, I'll be able to view fast access emoji. So I'll bring up my text messages, and here at the top of the keyboard, it will show the fast emoji role. So if I turn it off, if I go back into the settings and switch it off and go back into here, then you can see that role at the top here will be removed. So that's how you can show or hide this emoji fast access role on the keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.